The next step is for you guys to cut out all the pieces. So you'll need some scissors for today. Just so you guys know, because I'm not going to do every single one for you, but the solid lines, they're there to cut out. The dotted lines are where you're going to eventually fold the pieces together, while the diagonal lines, that's where you're going to use glue, which we'll get into later on in the project. So if you have a question, maybe you don't know if the part is supposed to be cut out or not, what I would recommend is don't cut it out. So I've had students do this in the past. Let me find the part here. Right, they weren't sure if this line was a diagonal, or excuse me, a dotted line or a solid line. Keep this part and don't cut on this line, I should say. Okay, keep it full. Okay, so again, when you're doing this, take your time, cut the paper out, try to stay on the line as best as possible. Do not rush this. Might take you a little bit of time to cut out all the pieces. While I'm doing this, I'm just going to talk to you guys so you guys know. Don't lose the pieces. All right, I don't know how I'm going to get you guys more parts. So don't lose the pieces. It took us quite a while to print all this stuff out for you. So please be responsible and keep the stuff in a safe spot. This one is actually another one that has a little trick, but again, as you get to it and start to fold it up together on another step, we'll go over it again. But this one right here, you have to do a little cut on this line. This line over here is dotted, but this line here is a solid line. I told you some parts are a little tricky. If you had a question with it, don't cut it out. Lastly, what I would do is take your pen and then somewhere on each part, put your name on it, okay, as you go. So as we start to submit work and pictures, this will help us prevent you guys from sharing your work or stealing other people's work. Please put your name on every part so as I look at pictures, I know that you were responsible for the work, okay? All right, good luck cutting it out. And again, don't lose anything.